Stylists, wig retailers, do you want to increase your business? Whether you are a cosmetologist or you own a wig shop or have an online store, we have some amazing education for you. We're going to be teaching you how to cut wigs, how to colour wigs, business, and how to increase every day in your salons and your businesses extra dollars, extra services, and bums on seats. How does this work? We've got a 2-day amazing education where we're going to be working with human hair wigs, synthetic wigs. We're going to be learning about head shapes, how to choose an ideal wig. If you wanted to colour a human hair wig, how do you do it? How to develop your business, how to get extra bums on seats, how to look online, and how to use AI tools within your business. This is a unique course, a unique class. I have some hand-picked specialists. You have me, 3 times British Hairdressing Award winner, nominee multiple times of the PBA, NAHA Awards, and world-renowned wig artist and designer. I have a guy called Adam Dunkley. He is unbelievable, business specialist from the UK. I have Beth Bowers, who was in my artistic team, trained by myself. She is an amazing colourist. She is wonderful. So you're not just learning from me, you're learning from my team as well. Edward Taylor, celebrity stylist. He's going to be in town from the UK. He's going to be showing us some red carpet hair. It wouldn't be complete without our beautiful alopecia ambassador, the wonderful Abby. She's going to be with us. Well, get to us on the 13th for the meet and greet. That's going to be really nice. We're going to have drinks, we're going to have dinner, of course, all on us. On the 14th and the 15th, we're going to be providing you with breakfast and lunches served by the hotel. We're going to have the kits available. In there, you can have everything you need to cut a wig. And you know what? If you sat there thinking, I can't cut a wig, I haven't got a license, that's fine. Because what we're going to do is we're going to get you styling wigs. We're going to show you how to fit wigs. We're going to introduce more education and possibly look at, if you're not a stylist or don't have a license, working with somebody that does, and again, increasing your businesses and your services. Where is this all happening, I hear you cry? Well, look no further to the wonderful bright lights of Las Vegas at one of my favourite hotels there, the Red Rock. Absolutely stunning. Once you've finished with us, once we've finished giving you all those creative juices and getting your brain flowing, you can go hit the casino. Go have a little bit of a play around. Restaurants are amazing. There is an amazing pool. There is a spa. So, look at this in 2 different ways. You guys need some downtime. You need some relax and recuperation. You all work so hard. So come, put some more strings on your wig bow and have a little chill out as well. One more final surprise. Obviously, we are filling up fast, but we've got 30% off the whole course, Artisan 30, to receive 30% discount for first come, first served people. Look forward to seeing you in Vegas. Ta-ra.